Hello everyone, good afternoon. How's everyone doing? Nice, hello everyone. I'm good, I'm good. Busy morning. Right, let's see the day. Alright, what's with the news today then? So we had some GBP news, well, like 40 minutes ago. You can have a look at what it did to the price, yeah. It dumped. Ooh, massive wake up. That was crazy. Anyway, for GG at the moment, it's not really moving that much for us to take any trades in. The ranges are not that good. Yeah, like the whole news scandal just did 60 pips. Trade on news is just going to depend where the news takes us. So there will be no trade on news itself. So there will be no stop orders there. But if you have an area, we wait for the news to tap the area, then maybe we can grab something. But I'll come into the analysis in a sec. Just want to make sure. Yeah, I mean for GJ, we've got nothing going on for us right now. But we can have a look at gold. So for gold for today, the better area for us that we want to take, or I want to take, is this sell from this zone, or we take buy off this zone. So that is the areas I'm looking for at the moment. Now we can grab something inside the range, but it would depend what the news does, because if it does break out of this range, because we got news coming up in 40 minutes for unemployment claims. So only one news, unemployment claims only, and gold has moved a bit today, but it's ranging. It's still ranging. So it's moving in 100 pips up and down inside the range, but we still comfortably inside the range. So once we do actually get out of this range, hopefully we can take a sell from up here, or we'll look for buys from down here. But we're gonna have to wait for news, because you cannot trust news. It might not move, or it may move and it may just drop down. You never know if the numbers come good, gold might just drop all the way down and break out of this supply, our demand zone for buys here. So, so anything can happen on news. We don't trade on news itself. We wait after news, and we see how the reaction will happen wherever it comes. Right, and inside this range, once again, you're gonna have to wait for news if you want to take anything inside this range. It's a decent range. From yesterday, you can see how many times we tapped. I believe there's oh, let me go into 15. 15. Yeah, it was here, right? So this was a good supply zone. Yesterday we reacted from the same zone twice. So we're gonna tap here. That would have been the entry, and that would be 100 pips right here. We reacted again here. We did not break those highs, so the trade was still valid, and we got 100 pips again. I mean, we didn't get it, so we didn't take any trade from here. It's just a zone that's reacting. And today in the morning, it reacted here again, and 100 pips once more. So there is a chance we come up here. Once we do tap, we may see a reaction to push us down 100 pips again. You can expect that, but we be careful just because we have tapped this zone so many times. There's a highly likely chance that at some point, especially during New York session, and especially if you don't tap it like within this, like in the next 15 or something like that. So if we wait for news, basically, if we tap this in the news candle, there's a chance we actually break these highs up here. So you get a top wick like this for us to actually start ripping down, right? Because this is some liquidity being built up, so it has to sweep all of this. So it can still react from without breaking those highs. But for us personally, we're gonna be avoiding that because there's a higher chance that it has to break those highs now. But it can tap here and then start coming down bottom of range again. It can do that. But I actually wanna see this being broke really. And I will not mind if we don't just break this, but we actually keep going. So something like this, like a massive top wick, and then we start rejecting from up here from this zone. Now it may not come down all the way down below this range straight away. It may do something like, so we'll push up like this, then we may retest in this zone, then we may go up and start doing this, or we may go up and start doing this. So anything can happen here. We just wait for our area and we wait for other confluences. But this is the major zone now. It's a nice 100 pip range, so it can tap and come down, or it can tap this bottom here to come up. But personally, we're gonna wait for news, a bit closer to news, basically like 5 minutes before, to see what the price is, what the market is doing, how it is moving, and what the candles are being printed. So we're just gonna have to wait, and yeah, just gonna have to wait for like 35 minutes more. Once the news does come up, we will have a proper setup then. But before the day started, this was our original setups ready to go basically. So you have a buy here, going wherever the top of this range is currently, or we will have a sell right here. Going to the bottom of this range. I mean, you could probably extend it to the bottom, honestly. But that is the main idea for today. If you get it, we'll see. If you don't, just another day. This is how we waited yesterday during the stream, and didn't get any setup for us. But yeah, what's with the news then? What are we expecting? So expecting higher numbers than previous month, but not by too much. So at the moment they're forecasting that news will come in favor of gold. So gold should be bullish. Is what you expect just based off the number that's there. But number can come differently, and also it doesn't necessarily mean the gold will be bullish. It may have an initial spike up, but it can always flip and reverse come back down, right? So even the numbers here come green, like okay, yeah, even the numbers comes here as green, gold can easily just get a spike up like this, the initial push up, which we may want this like here, which may actually help us to get the trade we want for sells if we actually get bad numbers here. Oh sorry, green will make it, oh I'm sorry, green will make it go down, sorry. Yeah, I mean green will be lower number. I was talking about higher than 212. So if you get like, if you look at previous numbers, yeah, for the most part, it's more employments. Yeah, basically, yeah, if you get anything above 212, which will be red here, you can expect maybe a spike up, and then it may still flip. If the news is bullish for gold, doesn't necessarily mean we keep going up. And it is unemployment claims as well. There isn't that much news trying to push it down. Then we may see something like this, like a spike up to come down. And the same can be on the other end. We can get a spike down first, and then we get a spike up. Well, not a spike up, like a run up. More like this, right? Oh, wrong one. Yeah, may see something like this happen, right? So we gotta push down first and then we start flipping. So yeah, because news can do anything, we don't trade on the news itself. It may come green, you see green numbers, you will say okay, gold has to come down, but no, it can go up. It may initially come down for a few minutes, make the bottom wick for the new candle, or maybe grab some orders from the bottom. If you go on the 30-minute, you know, there's a chance. With this range currently, gold has enough to either grab orders from here or from here. So you can tap anything on these two red zones and start rejecting from there and flip. But we will see how strongly it pushes though. Because we want it to push strongly, because then there's a higher chance that we'll go to the next area, next resistance or support, which will be down here or up here. And if it pushes slowly in either direction, it goes like slowly, you know, there's not that much volume pushing it, then we may see a rejection from these zones, and we may end up ranging for the day. Honestly, there's a chance we end up ranging. But let's look at the daily. What did we do? So yesterday we did end up closing bearish. You can see how daily candles are kind of shrinking every day. Isn't really doing much, but at the moment we are bullish. We do have a small bottom wick. Last two daily we did close bearish. Ideally you will expect today to be bearish as well. There's a chance we actually end up tapping. This is a nice resistance area as well. On the daily we come down, and you know, you will expect it to come down and fill this wick at the bottom. So you expect to wick fill this one here, the last daily candle, and maybe tap here before we actually start going bullish, you know. Well, let's see. We have to get out this range that we are in on news, otherwise we might miss the move really, because we can't take the sell right now, because it's gonna happen on the news candle really. I did probably. And even if it taps now, we can't take the sell from here because news is coming up. So, oh, did I? Yeah, so there's chance that we may come up, tap this, like this, then we may range a bit till news, then we may get this, right? We don't want to be part of this range. You can always do this and start coming down straight away, but we probably avoid that. Yeah, that will be the plan. We just gonna wait for our setter to come to us. But 28 minutes to go. If anyone got any questions, you know, drop it down in the chat. But yeah guys, like 10 of you here, drop a like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hang about. I will expect we can potentially get a trade today. I think it's a better chance than yesterday. I mean, we did get 2 trades yesterday though, just not on stream. But yeah, everyone drop a like. What software I use to stream? I'm using Streamlabs, but you can use OBS as well. Streamlabs is OBS. Well, it's based off OBS basically. And I'm just using Streamlabs because I could not figure out how to get chat in OBS for the live chat that you can see on your screen. But yeah, Streamlabs I'm using. You can use any software out there really. I'm on PC. You know, start your own streams. Oh, your PC is lagging. Your laptop, are you trying to stream? Is that why it's lagging? Like lagging during stream or does it lag generally? Oh, lagging watching me. Hmm. I don't. I can see I'm not getting any. My stream is running fine from my end. I don't know. And anyone else in the chat lagging? Yeah, could be Wi-Fi. Maybe drop your resolution down a bit. Might help. Yeah, on my end it's not showing me. The stream quality is running fine. It's not showing me any like drop frames. If it drops frames, then your end will be lagging as well. But it's not dropping any frames. Yeah, maybe try full data. Alright, that's good to hear. You should tell the people at work, get a better internet. It's very important, man, to have a good internet connection, especially when you're trading. You know, like if you start lagging while you know that your own internet is being fishy, then you may even miss entries and stuff. Chat, everyone drop a like here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And you can follow all our socials, link is in description. Also, you got a free Telegram group. Will be free for a limited time, guys, so join up while you can. Every trade we take will be there, and like even though we're streaming New York session, like our London session, we don't stream that, but we do trade it. So all the trades will be there. Yeah, the link for the Telegram is in the description as well, or it's in the chat, pinned comment. You can join up. It's completely free. Yeah, just gotta kill some time now. Man, if you look at the 50-minute, very choppy. Like over here, we have been in some chop. Right now, we're getting a bit decent move at least. But yeah, we gotta wait. This has not tapped that zone yet. 4 minutes left on this 15. Yeah, with 15 left to news, we will not be even try to take this out. Ideally, we want to see either a higher zone or lower zone getting broken. Like the HO candle closing above these zones, getting out of this range. But if we just stay inside, it'll be tough. It's gonna be a tough trade to take. We generally avoid when market has tapped the same supply or demand zone multiple times. You can see we tapped here 3 times already, and we tapped here like 3 times, like 4 times, and then this will be the 5th one, right? Like we tapped these zones so many times, it's just building up liquidity for one of those candles to take it out, which usually will happen when there's volume in the market, which news may just do that. You know, I don't think I've been updated the record. I think. Let me go through it. 28/1/12/70. So stream record is up to date. Signal record is not. That should change. Still hasn't. There you go. So that will be 63, 5, and 32. $66.32. The news is in 15 minutes. Less than 15. 13 minutes. So in about 10 minutes. Will be unemployment claims. 3858. 3858. Alright, record is updated. Yeah, you can see 5 is just ranging at the moment. So imagine our entry was here, right? Like somewhere here, let's say. This was our zone. We got tapped here, we got entered, and now we're just part of this range. Because news is coming, there's a chance we do not move right before news. It can still go down, it can go up. And especially if you stay in this range, and this is our stops right here, news can just do this to grab orders from here and to come down, right? So you can't trade this zone during news, like right before news. We've got 10 minutes to go. And let's hope we get some breakout of this area. If we start coming down, there'll be a lot more waiting, I would say, just because if you were to break out of this zone, it would take a few more candles to actually come out. You know, it has to drop down a lot. Like a 60 pip drop rather than going up is easier right now. Just less range to go up. Yeah. 4-hour candle has broken the lows, but it's bullish. It's not broken the highs. Yeah, this 4-hour can flip at any point. This is the high. This is the high as well. Yeah, you're gonna wait patiently. Well, chat everyone, drop a like please. It will help more people to find us. Just drop the like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We do come live every day, Monday to Friday during NY session. Also, yeah, we got free Telegram group and free Discord. Links are in the description. You can join up from there. Got Instagram account as well. Don't forget to follow that. All the links will be in the description. I'm moving on this 5. Let's see how we react here. We still got 6 minutes for news. Ideally, we actually do break out. You see how instantly reacted from here? Doesn't mean we actually reject. You know, it's just a reaction. Then we may pull back a bit, and then we still keep pushing up. But we did see a reaction here. The tiny split. Five more minutes. Five more minutes to go. This 5 closed right at it. Got a nice volume on this one. Will this next 5 to push up or down wherever it wants to go? But yeah, 4.5. I will expect some volume at least. I don't think it will be like properly dead. It is the only folder for USD for this AM session of New York. There is another folder for PM session, but you're not gonna be worrying about that. We got CAD news, but it's only a speech. I mean. So we'll be speaking. That'll be later in session. We don't have to worry about these two. So yeah, literally just one news you have to look out for. Alright, that's nice. Moving. News game, nothing major push here. Alright, give it a few minutes, it will be cancel push. Let's see what the pending is. So we got way higher numbers, so we got worse numbers. Gold should be bullish is what you can expect. Yeah, let's give it a few minutes. We're still in this range, so can't do anything. Ooh, big spike. Alright, we're gonna have a sell limit in a bit. So it will be based off whatever the 5-minute candle you got. This bearish 5-minute candle hit. So whatever lows will be your entry and highs will be your stop loss. Make sure you leave a bit of a gap above, because that will be your stops, and you want to make sure you leave some room for spreads. Alright, chat, we're gonna take a sell. We're gonna have a sell limit set, okay? Entry will be here at 8, 7. Alright, chat, I'm gonna get a sell limit in. 2327.86 will be the entry, and 330.58 will be the stops. So make sure you have a good risk management on this trade. It can go in a different direction, as in hit USL. Alright, I got my sell limit set. Let me get my stop loss in. Let's see. Let's see if this trade works out. We are on an 8-win streak on stream so far. Let's hope we can continue. And these will be TP1s and TP2. We are waiting. Alright, very close here. Ooh, almost getting activated. There you go, I'm in. Alright, let's see if we got a reaction. Okay. Go on, go. Give us a reaction here. So I am activated, guys. It's slow right now. Did not get the instant reaction, I guess, quite yet. Alright, we are moving up. Alright, while we wait, let's fill up the journal. So it's gonna be 9.24. Trade was taken at 13:41. New York gold sells, supply and demand. And we can trade on the 15. Oh, I even got all these other ones. We don't need these. Better. Yeah, we're moving up at the moment. So 2.6 lots on this one. Yeah, we'll fill the rest of the trade. So new 15 also opened up. Does not have a bottom wick yet. Are we gonna try and make it, or are we gonna try and just strip? Yeah, everyone chat, let me know if you took this trade. Nice lookup. Yeah, everyone obviously do your own analysis. You know, whatever trade we take doesn't mean you have to take it. You know, you wanna make sure you're happy with the trade yourself. Have proper risk management, analyze the trade itself. You know, it's only for education purposes here. Don't want to just copy the trades. You wanna learn how to take these trades on your own as well, so you don't have to rely on anyone else. You're just here to help. Oh, nice. You took a 2329, huh? Where's 2329? Nice, right at the top. Good entry, good entry. So you be about 17 pips in already. That's nice. Let's hope we get a nice push down now. I like the way it's forming so far, but we have to close bearish for this to really keep going down. But this is good. This is order grab from the top. When we break high, but we start rejecting and start coming down, you can see a nice push down on the next candle. But we wanna see this can still go bullish. You know, it can make this could be the bottom wick for us to go bullish again. We wanna avoid this today. Hopefully we can avoid it. We wanna avoid this ranging thing, and we want this push down that we had. So hopefully we can get that. It's looking good so far. Yeah, once you take the trade, you know, it can be it's just house money then. You know, you took the trade, you took your setup, and it's all probabilities then. Price can go anywhere from here. See, that could be a bottom wick for us to start ripping up again. Doesn't necessarily mean it will do it, it can be. So in this trade, you should have no emotions, nothing to do. All you have to do is just manage your once it reaches your personal targets, you know, manage it accordingly. Close your partials, or you might get stop loss there. Anything it can go down anyway. Yes, a decent TP area, but if anyone actually wants to secure much earlier, that'll be 2324.169. That's where you have tap mostly. It's a nice area as well to secure anything. But me personally, I'll be waiting for my 2322 zone, so you can secure up at 20 pips a bit earlier. This is 20 pips, right? Yeah, 20 pips. But I'll be securing on my area. Go on, Goldie. 7 minutes on this 15. Can we just push down? Can we get a bleeder? Also, 4-hour closing up in 10 minutes. Looks like we'll be closing bullish, comfortably bullish, really. I don't think we'll just rush out full TP in this 15, obviously. So once it does close bullish, we want to see bottom wick so we can get out at TP1 if we don't get TP1 before that. much we earned so far? Almost 20 pips. Yeah, nothing more to say really about this trade. Just if it goes, it goes. Let's see what the 4 hour can do here. You know what? Looks about okay. We came from bottom, we tapped this, come down. Yeah, it should be okay. Nothing special in the 4 hour to see. If it wants to come down, it will. We are in gold sales now. Can we make this our 9th win in a row on stream? And you can see our TPs are big, right? Like this is the first partial, be 50 plus pips. You know, most people will be like, okay, that's like 10 pips in, 20 pips in, they will make it break even, risk free, or they will take partials here or something, you know, and call it a win. So don't just go by the win rate in our trades, you know, like if you go in, we have 70% win rate, right? But you get the pip count as well. Because when we lose, we make more of that back in just first TP. And sometimes our trade will run 100 plus. You can see that this gold ran 200 pips full TP for us. So there will be some losses, but they should be able to get built up by our partials only. Yeah, no one needs to worry about. Don't have to fill anything up. So I believe 15 broke its lows again. Yes, it did. 5 at no top wick. Might be a top wick to come down, or may just make this 15 close a bit doji or something like that. Decent reaction from the area, not the best one that I wanted to see. Looks like in this situation we could have taken a trade from the 50% of this supply zone. But second time came out with tapped, so would have been a bit better entry. You'd be 10 pip extra, and you'd be basically 10 pip less as well. Wait, so only 2 people took the trade in the chat? Great watching here. That's fine if you don't take it, by the way. No, I'm not saying you have to take it. It's good actually if you don't take it and actually just learn. If you're just to learn, I guess, or something like that. But yeah, 15 closing, 40 seconds to go, and it's not gonna close very strong, but that will be okay. So what you can expect is next candle to come up. It may even break these highs, but hopefully it only does not break our SL. But I would still expect price to still move down. But it is new 4-hour open. Let's hope that this 4-hour doesn't just start ripping up and go into the next ranges above. You know, we just step and come back down, start rejecting on the 4, and that will be a good trade for us personally. Ooh, new 4-hour open now. Did not get topic, yeah. I don't mind if you don't have a topic, if you just keep going down. But there's a high chance, it is 4-hour by the way, so there's a good chance that we may not get full TP and start coming up, and we might get BE by then. But be ready, we close here, guys. We close to our TP. Only a little bit more to go. We're halfway through it. Go on, Goldie. Get the move. Right, there we go. We're coming up for that top wick potentially. Still be okay if we close bearish on the 5. A bit below this range though. Can we do a bit push down now? Okay, we're gonna flip I think before we do that. Alright. It's a decent move down. Wait, we hit our area that I was talking about, right? If you want to secure something, yeah, right on it. You see chat? This is a reaction area. We wanna avoid being stuck in this. So usually you can take partials here, right? My area is here because even though we get stuck here, eventually we should be able to come down. Oh, we're coming down again. Oh, there's your chance. If it's your plan, you take it, but not my plan. My plan is to stay up here. We never managed to flip. Oh, very close. Come on, go just get a nice spike down and get our TP. Go on, keep pushing. So close. Alright, there you go chat, TP1. I've secured my position. Purchase secure. Let's go. Come on guys, drop those W's in the chat. That will be our 9th win on stream. Let's go. TP1 hit. And that will be 55 pips. Let's go, beautiful trade. So thankfully we did not, well, we still don't know, it may still do it, but right now we kind of trying to avoid this range. So can we get a nice push down? Would be nice for TP to get hit. That will be our runners going down, but stops to BE guys now. Okay, stops to BE. I'm gonna leave it above this wick so we can see the green part, but stops to break even. I'll set my TP in as well. That'll be 2303 point. Chat W trade. This is what we get with patience. Nice, we're moving down further. Let's go. 4 hour no topic, and that'll be good. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're getting a big push. Nice. Oh, big push. Very near TP2, guys. Go on, let's get it. TP2 is sitting at 130 pips. Go on, goal. Just rip for us. Get the TP2 in. You see the 5? We want the same 5 coming down. Just keep coming down. $130. Go on, guys. Don't forget to drop a like. We managed to get a nice trade today. We're ripping. We should get our TP2 soon enough. Let's start filling this in then. That would be 55 pips, I believe, right? We have 55. Then we get our second TP when you get it. But let's go. Beautiful trade. Oh, we got it. TP2, guys. It's here. Mute payo. What a beautiful trade. Ah, देखा था. Nice trade here, guys. W's. Gonna drop that W. Why is nobody talking, chat? So weak chat we got here. Come on, drop those likes. You know we deserve them. Last 5 candles, oh my god. 5 candles, no topics. And this fourth one may have no topic again. Although as I'm saying it, looks like it's trying to make one. Or maybe not. Forget it, who cares? Go on, let's get a full TP, another 100 pips to go down. And that will be a massive trade for us. But let's fill up. Let's fill up. So what did I manage to get here? Yeah, I managed to get 55 pips first TP and then 150 pips. Alright guys, I have to manage Telegram as well while I'm doing all this. We don't have Shadows here today, he's kinda busy. So let me post a few things, a few updates. Come on, Goldie, give us the rip. फूल क्यों बनना है? Go on chat, everyone, drop a like. If you're new here, subscribe. We caught a nice move here. Let's see if we get a full TP. We have 150 pips up. Let me start filling up the journal, then I secure 155 and then 150 pips. एसएल यहाँ हिट हो गया था, लेकिन हमारा एसएल था किधर लगाते हम? यहाँ पे था ना एरिया एक, ये था ना, ये 15 ग्रीन,
ऑन अ 15 की फाइंड ये रहा ना
ग्रीन वाला है ना? हाँ यही है ना।
हाँ, पहले टैप करके ये था, जो पहले टैप करके ये वो ट्रेड थी, सेकंड टैप नहीं है, सेकंड टैप लेट नाइट में।
हाँ रिएक्ट तो तब भी गया ना, तो लिखूँ क्या मैं? और एसएल कहाँ रखना आना चाहिए था मैं इस ट्रेड में? इस ट्रेड में हमें लगाना नहीं चाहिए था।
ट्रेड ऊपर से लेनी चाहिए। रीजन ये था कि मुझे दोनों एरिया सप्लाई के लग रहे थे, बट ये पैटर्न होता, उस पैटर्न की वजह से मैं अवॉइड कर।
हाँ वो तो पता है, फायर जोन। अच्छा इस ट्रेड का TP1 हमने लिखा है, लेकिन हुआ क्या? ये कॉल लॉस जो हुआ था 22 पिप का हुआ था ना, लॉक पोजीशन है, बाय बाय। इसका TP1 हिट हो गया था, बल्कि इसको भी लगा लेते ताकि पता हो। बाय ली थी 8 बजे। एंट्री
$0.4 लॉट पे $232 बना रहे यार।
TP1 हिट हो गया, TP2 भी हिट हो गया।
क्या लगता है अकाउंट इज ऑन 300, शुड आई क्लोज इट और नहीं?
300 क्या प्रॉफिट में चल रहा है अभी?
मतलब 10-3 चल रहा है।
10 नहीं अभी, यहाँ तो नहीं, पार्सल रहने दो ना। कितना खुला है? 05?
हाँ हाँ,
जाने दे यार।
वैसे वो 258 पे खड़ा हुआ है सोलर, और अभी 300 का आ रहा है। 258 एक्चुअल में खड़ा हुआ अगर ब्रेक इवन होता है, लेकिन अगर फुल होता है तो आई विल गेट समथिंग अराउंड 370।
जाने दे, आई थिंक फॉर आवर फ्लिप नहीं कर पाएगा।
हाँ हाँ, मुझे लगता है अगर ये आज एज करने लग गया तो फिर निकल जाएंगे लिए।
नहीं खोल के छोड़ दे बस ट्रेड,
आधे घंटे का बैठे हुए स्ट्रीम पे, लेट्स सी
एकदम
somebody
छोड़
is
के
taking
रहने
this
दे
trade.
ट्रेड। कल तक ट्रिप टैप हो ही जाएगा। अच्छा भाई इस ट्रेड में भी 97 पे TP2 हिट हो गया।
किसी ने ट्रेड नहीं लिया
पे लिखा बना है 97।
like people are just
स्टॉप लॉस
watching,
था नहीं।
not posting. And for graph पे मैं यार
हाँ
यार रुक
5
जा, मैं
मिनट का
भूल गया
ड्रॉप
था।
आया है
I mean,
मजेदार।
मुझे
आओगे?
डॉन वो की ट्रेड देखनी है। Now let me move down.
कहाँ देखेगा डॉन, वो बेचारा समझता नहीं।
राजा ट्रेड्स पे
डॉन वो अभी तक नहीं समझता कि 4 आवर नहीं बनाता हमेशा फिक्स। जब भी 4 आवर के
बोल दो
ओपन
शायद
पे
तो
लेता है ना ट्रेड, खतरा होता है उसकी ट्रेड में। राजा
यार
कौन?
यही बोल रहा हूँ शायद, जाके बता इसको कि तुझे नहीं आता। डॉन को जाके बोल तुझसे ट्रेड मैं कर सकता हूँ,
4
जाके
आवर
बोल दे।
जब भी लेता है ना मुझे, उस मैं तो नहीं लेता ना, जब वो मैं भी जब देखा था उसको नहीं लेता
यार
था।
मैं
थोड़ा
ऑफर देता हूँ, जाके डॉन के कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख, प्लीज ज्वाइन माय मेंटरशिप।
वो जितना उसका सब लोग से उतना हमारा सेकंड टीपी था। जितना उसका सब लोग हमारा सेकंड टीपी था कसम से।
आगे क्या करके इसकी ट्रेड देगा, कहाँ इसकी ट्रेड है? इसकी ट्रेड का एक ही चीज मिसिंग है। बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, कमेंट में आके लिख दे, प्लीज फॉलो ट्रेड टाइम, वी गिव मच बेटर ट्रेड्स।
अबे अनिक भाई की अच्छी ट्रेड बन जाती, भाई की उन्होंने से हटा दिया, आई थिंक ये बॉटम इतनी थी, वरना भाई ले रहा था वो।
एक भाई का हाँ बड़ा वो होता है।
तो मैं
ये
लाइफ
पता नहीं क्यों
समझता
डिजर्व
हूँ।
करता है, इसको ना देख के फील आता है कि डिजर्व करता है। शायद ये भी रीजन है कि ये सबसे पहला मेंटोर है जिसको देख के फॉरेक्स शुरू करी है। You should give a respect.
हाँ रिस्पेक्ट तो है।
लेकिन नॉर्मल को नहीं है।
One trade today and a beautiful trade, let's go.
भाई मुझे बता दे से ट्रेड कर लिए, मैं आगे करे आ रहा हूँ, पता भी नहीं हो रहा। ओह ही टुक अ ट्रेड ऑन 4 आवर फ्लिप।
हाँ 4 आवर की खुलने पे, फ्लिप पे नहीं, बॉटम वो बॉटम एक्सपेक्ट कर था 4 आवर की वो।
ओके अभी आ रहा है इसका कुछ प्लान बन रहा है, लेट मी सी।
हाँ तो लेगा कुछ और। Alright guys, chat on stream, we're gonna call it. There'll be no more trades for the day. We already got what we wanted.
Yeah, just wait for 3 minutes. अगले 7 बजे दूंगा.
क्यों?
Average viewed is
क्या
and
करना चाह रहा है?
right now it's around 18. तो 2 मिनट का मतलब एवरेज ड्यूरेशन हमें कम से कम 15 से 20 मिनट. एवरेज ड्यूरेशन 20 पर है ना, दैट विल बी.
अच्छा.
जस्ट सेइंग क्या करना है वैसे भी. कोई गेम लगा के खेलना शुरू कर. ट्रेड तो ले ली.
हाँ बढ़ाना चाह रहा है, बढ़ा ले भाई.
या वो बढ़ जाएगा ना 20 ऊपर तो 30.
अच्छा भाई, न्यूज़ वापसी लगाना होगा. सैलरी हटाओ, ये ना हटाओ. अच्छा भाई, न्यूज़ को वापसी ले आओ यहाँ. 2 बच्चे हैं. सैलरी को हटा के सीधा ब्रेकआउट.
एक बार तो पूरा फ्लिप होने के बाद ब्रेक इवन हुई थी ट्रेड.
है नहीं, 4 आवर के
उसमें
नीचे
आगे पूरा बना की टॉपिक बनाई है ना उसने.
नहीं है टॉपिक.
अच्छा स्टिल नहीं है.
4 आवर टॉपिक है ही नहीं.
अभी तो करीब तो नहीं है. हाँ यार, यू राइट. तभी तो बोल रहा था कि मैं वो नीचे पे बैठा था. तभी तो बोल रहा था कि पूरा फ्लिप पे ऊपर जा सकते हैं.
नहीं तो चैट में बोला था कि क्या कर सकता है 4 आवर खुलते ही. लाइक
तो तुम्हें लगता था कि ये
हाँ
पूरा फ्लिप होता तो मैं भी
नहीं होगा 4 आवर फ्लिप.
नहीं कैसे पूछा था जब ये पूरा के पास था, जब जिस तरह से गिरा था. बिकॉज आई वाज वाचिंग. मैं नीचे बैठ के देख रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है. मेरा सवाल ये है कि तुम्हें लगता था कि 4 आवर टॉपिक बना सकता है.
हाँ बना
एज
सकता
यू
है.
रीड कैंडल हैं.
बना सकता है.
उन्हें मतलब बना के ऊपर ड्राइव करना
मैं चाह
पॉसिबिलिटी
रहा था.
थी, या मे बी वो
नहीं नहीं
हल्की सी बनाता हो फिर गिर जाता.
एरिया अच्छा था रिजेक्शन का काफी. मैं यहाँ तक बेसिकली जहाँ तक ग्रीन की बनी है कैंडल वहाँ तक ही स्पेक्ट करता है ऐसा कुछ. हाई ब्रेक कर सकता था करंट 4 आवर प्रीवियस 4 आवर के, लेकिन आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग टू मच. मैं ये एक्सपेक्टिंग कर रहा था वो एकदम ऊपर से खींचे कुछ कर सकता था, बट आई वाजंट रियली एक्सपेक्टिंग. 4 आवर जैसा क्लोज हुआ था मुझे लगा था नेक्स्ट 4 आवर थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाए, लेकिन वो नीचे जाना शुरू हो गया पहले ही. तो मैंने लगा अभी फ्लिप करके जा सकता है. 15 मिनट जो खुला था ना वो फ्लिप करने वाला था एकदम आखिरी के 1 मिनट में ना. 15 मिनट नीचे गिरा दिया और उसको ब्रिटिश क्लोज दे दिया, वरना वो फ्लिप करने वाला था.
रिजेक्शन बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
मगर
मैं तो
4
मूड से था कि
आवर
मेरा
का
मूड
अच्छा ही
वैसे
रहता है
खराब है.
इसलिए लगा.
ऐसे ही मूड खराब है. मैंने बोला चलो आज ट्रेडिंग को भी लो, क्योंकि जब भी मूड खराब होता है ट्रेडिंग भी खराब ही होती है. बड़ा हैरान था ऊपर आके देख रहा हूँ. अरे प्रॉफिट यार तो गुड. बट अभी भी डॉन को बाय ने अपनी बायसिंग नहीं की. वेटिंग कब ले रहे हैं अपनी बाय. लास्ट टाइम बढ़ रहा है यार. बस 7 बजे बंद कर दियो. तीनों हल्की हल्की होती है. हाँ
Beautiful trade boys and girls in the chats.
लाइव स्ट्रीम
Guys,
पे तो लिख दो
we are on a 9
9
win streak. टेलीग्राम पे भी डालना चाहता हूँ लेकिन अभी कहाँ डाले इसमें तो नहीं है ना स्ट्रीक.
टेलीग्राम पे काहे का मेरी स्ट्रीक. वी आर ऑन अ विन स्ट्रीक. पहली ट्रेड सही गई आफ्टर सब.
कल लिखेंगे.
करना यार.
कल लाइव स्ट्रीम
हैं?
जब जाएंगे ना टेलीग्राम में, जब लिखते हैं लाइव स्ट्रीम का उसमें लिखेंगे करंटली ऑन अ 9 स्ट्रीक ऑन लाइव. और लोग आए. Let me fill this up. 64, 5, and 32, yeah. 66.67.
अल्ट्रा लेटेंसी ऑन करी है आपने.
हाँ उसी का मसला है लेकिन क्या
डुप्लीकेट स्ट्रीम क्यों की क्यों? भाई ये ट्रेड टारगेट के बेच
तुम्हारा
में
खुल
कोई
गया ऐसे
डुप्लीकेट।
जो तुम्हारा इशू हुआ था ट्रेड का?
हाँ हाँ वो हो गया। मैं तुम्हें लिंक भेज रहा हूँ भाई, खोलो, ये क्या दे रहा है? एरर, डुप्लीकेट स्ट्रीम की, सेलेक्ट न्यू की, ब्लूटूथ दो लाइव और स्विच की, क्या चल रहा है? मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ भाई, प्लीज सेट है।
ये
ठीक
डैशबोर्ड में
है।
एरर आ रहा है। तू गलत स्ट्रीम देख रहा था।
हैं?
गलत स्ट्रीम देख रहे थे।
नहीं,
हाँ।
मतलब मैं तो व्यूज और डाटा देखता रहता हूँ, ये आज क्यों दे रहा है ये?
हटाओ, रिफ्रेश उस पर जो क्लिक करने को कह रहा है ओपन डैशबोर्ड वो कर लो।
ये ठीक है।
अच्छा अल्ट्रा लो स्लेट थी, अल्ट्रा लो होनी चाहिए। मैं टाइम चेक कर रहा हूँ तुम्हारा। 41 38 नहीं 10 सेकंड 35 32 हाँ 3 सेकंड का फर्क है ना। समझ आ रहा कह रहा 1440 भी सपोर्टिंग करता लेकिन 4040p पे देख रहा हूँ मैं।
मे बी वो स्क्रीन साइज की वजह से कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि तुम जो स्क्रीन साइज दिखाते हो वो थोड़ा कम होता है ना,
नहीं उससे नहीं,
वो उसे नहीं दे रहा।
स्क्रीन तो पूरी दिखा रहा हूँ। अबे अल्ट्रा लो
मुझे क्या लग
लेटेंसी
रहा है
और 1440p दोनों एक साथ नहीं चला सपोर्ट करता वो ये कह रहा है। और मैं
स्ट्रीम हेल्थ भी दिया,
लेकिन
तो उसका
दोनों
रीजन
चल रहे
क्या
हैं
है?
मेरे लिए।
ये
वो
देखना दे रहा था, करंट रेजोल्यूशन इज व्हिच इज
हाँ तो वो
नॉट
कह रहा है
सपोर्टेड फॉर दिस
1080p में
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन।
स्विम करो ताकि अल्ट्रा लो लेटेंसी चले सही। लेकिन चल तो रही है अल्ट्रा लो 3 सेकंड का वो आ रहा है डिले, इतने का ही होता है।
हाँ हाँ,
और 1440p का
वो
ऑप्शन
तो
भी आ
है।
रहा है
ठीक
सो
है, वो देख रहा
उससे
सही
फर्क नहीं
है,
पड़ता,
लेकिन
चल रही है।
18-17 होगा एवरेज व्यू
और कोई
ड्यूरेशन,
कर रहा है
20 होगा।
1440p में ही।
वहां जो है वॉचिंग, क्या तूने भी देखना बंद कर दिया?
हाँ पता नहीं 5 क्यों दिखा रहा है। कब अपडेट हो जाएगा सोचो में। अबे
कोई और न्यूज़ तो नहीं है भाई, बोलो
स्ट्रीम
तो
पे
एक न्यूज़ आ
ऑडियो
रही
ऑन
है।
है तेरा तू बोल रहा है।
हाँ, डजंट मैटर राइट नाउ, ये नहीं, अगर कोई आ भी है तो उसका कोई सवाल है?
भाई 4000 पिप्स हो गए तरंगम के।
4000?
ये
जी
सब
जी मैम, जी जी। ये महीना कैसा जा रहा है राइट नाउ?
महीना ब्यूटीफुल।
दो लॉसेज हो गया।
350 पिप्स
फिर 5,000।
जो एवरेज नहीं फुल है। से पार्शल देखोगे तो 120 159 चल रहा है।
गुड और बैड?
अबे दो लॉस हमारे एक ही ट्रेड में हो गया था कवर। उसके अलावा हमारी 3 और अच्छी विंस है, बड़ी विंस 40 63 और 55।
वो तो है, बट आई एम सेइंग कि इज इट अ गुड राइट नाउ, कि मतलब 9 दिन के लिहाज से सेट और
हाँ
गुड?
अच्छा चल रहा है।
मतलब इस हफ्ते तो हर दिन ही ट्रेड
फुल
मिले।
अगर फुल टीपी देखोगे तो मंथली का जो एवरेज है 300 पिप्स, नहीं सॉरी टीपी 1 पिप्स है ये। मंथली का एवरेज 900 है, नहीं फुल डॉट लॉस है लेकिन ये एवरेज है 305 पिप टीपी 1 का। और अभी हम 159 पे है और अभी हमारा महीना पूरा 3 हफ्ते और बचे हैं अभी भी, तो ऑन
ज्यादा
ट्रैक,
हफ्ते की।
ऑन ट्रैक है।
हाँ मतलब इस
और
हफ्ते तो मैं कल हर दिन ही ट्रेड लिया।
और इस हफ्ते का हमारा चल रहा है भाई 96 पे है पार्शल पे। और हमारे 2 ट्रेड रनर गए 290 पे हो गए हफ्ते का ऑलरेडी।
हर दिन ही ट्रेड लिया, बस कल का अगर साला एक ऊपर से ले लेते तो वो भी ट्रेड अच्छी है, बट नो वरीज, चलो कोई नहीं। हम बैठ के डाउन की ट्रेड देख रहे हैं
आई
बड़े
थिंक ये
प्यार
ट्रेड
से।
हाँ 6 7 8 9।
आप ट्रेड कर लो।
अच्छा भाई कितना बन रहा है वो
टाइम
तो
बढ़ने
बन
में 18 17 यार ये तो you have to close the live कर दे 60 हो गया everything is fine. I have it duration 18 for 17 per month.
अच्छा you gonna end it here. Nice trade, nicely. We waited patiently for our setup to come, and we executed on it. No emotions. We went straight down. That was good. It played out for us. Worked out for us in the end. Then we secured our TP1 and TP2, and right now we got a small runner to hopefully get the full TP, which may take a few hours, or maybe it will happen tomorrow. We don't know. But anyway, back tomorrow then, same place, same time. Ready for another good day. That'll be all. Bye now.